When you think about car safety, what comes to mind? Big, beefy frames, more airbags than a bouncy castle. For decades, that's what safety meant surviving a crash. But today, the game has completely changed. The safest cars aren't just built to withstand an impact. They're designed to prevent it from ever happening. We're talking about vehicles packed with advanced driver assistance systems. These cars use a network of radar, cameras, and artificial intelligence to monitor the road in real time, acting as a second set of eyes that never blinks. So, which cars are the smartest on the road? Let's begin the countdown of the top 10 cars that actively prevent collisions. Coming in at number 10 is the Honda Accord. Powered by Honda Sensing, it features collision mitigation braking and lane keeping assist. The Accord constantly scans the road ahead and can automatically apply the brakes if it detects an unavoidable collision. It's a practical, everyday sedan with some serious preventive intelligence. At number 9, we have the Hyundai Tucson. Hyundai's Smart Sense package includes forward collision avoidance assist and a driver attention warning. If you start to drift out of your lane or show signs of fatigue, the Tucson steps in to get you back on track. It's like having a co-pilot that never gets tired. Sliding into number 8 is the Subaru Outback. Subaru's legendary eyesight system uses dual cameras instead of just radar, giving it incredible depth perception. It features pre-collision braking and is particularly strong at detecting pedestrians and cyclists. It's no surprise that Subaru quietly leads in real-world accident prevention statistics. Next up, at number 7, is the Mazda CX-5. Mazda's iActive Sense technology focuses heavily on urban collision avoidance. With smart brake support and rear cross-traffic alert, it's a master of navigating busy city streets and chaotic parking lots where accidents are most likely to happen. At number 6, we have a surprise entry, the Ford F-150. That's right, even pickup trucks are getting brilliant. The F-150 offers pre-collision assist and evasive steering assist. For a vehicle this large, these systems are a game changer, drastically reducing blind spots and reaction delays. Halfway through our list, at number 5, is the Toyota Camry. Armed with Toyota Safety Sense, the Camry includes a pre-collision system with pedestrian detection and full-speed adaptive cruise control. It's the perfect blend of reliability, affordability, and consistently strong preventive safety. Breaking into the top tier at number 4 is the Mercedes-Benz E-Class. This is where luxury meets intelligent prevention. The E-Class doesn't just brake for you. Its evasive steering assist can subtly steer the car to help you avoid danger. This isn't just reacting to a problem, this is high-level accident anticipation. At number 3, we find the BMW 5 Series. BMW's Driving Assistant Professional includes a brilliant traffic jam assist. The car actually predicts traffic flow and adjusts your speed automatically, taking human error out of the equation during stressful stop-and-go congestion. Our runner-up at number 2 is the Tesla Model 3. Tesla's autopilot system is famous for a reason. Using a suite of cameras for 360-degree vision, the car processes its surroundings continuously. It reacts in milliseconds, often faster than human reflexes, thanks to its powerful onboard AI. But it's not our number 1. Taking the top spot, the undisputed champion of preventive safety is the Volvo XC90. Volvo has built its entire brand identity around safety, and the XC90 is their masterpiece. It features city safety collision avoidance, pilot assist, and even large animal detection. It doesn't just see cars and people, it sees almost everything. Imagine you're driving at night and a deer suddenly leaps onto the road. Before your brain can even process the danger, the XC90 has already detected it and engaged the brakes. No crash, no injury, no tragedy. That is why it takes the number 1 spot. Picture this. You glance at your phone for just a second. In that time, the traffic ahead comes to a sudden stop. In an older car, that's a guaranteed rear-end collision, but in one of these top vehicles, sensors detect the closing speed, warnings flash, and the brakes engage automatically. Impact avoided. The truth is, the safest cars on the road today aren't the strongest, they're the smartest. No vehicle is 100% accident-proof, but these 10 come incredibly close by preventing collisions before they can even happen. Now, I want to hear from you. Which of these safety features matters most to you? Is it automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, or blind spot monitoring? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoy learning about automotive innovation and the future of driving, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching.